This is the SUPTEK smartphone and tablet holder, and it is awesome. It has 360-degree rotation on the bottom, 180 degrees from here, woo, 180 degrees from here, 360 degrees here, and of course a ball joint at the top that you can rotate in any direction you want. Also, the phone or tablet holder piece here can be replaced for one that connects to a camera. Also, you've got an Allen key that you can adjust the tension on these two joints to make it smoother or tighter as you desire. And it screws to your table. And you've got a nice wide area here for it to fit pretty much any desk table you need. That means it's hands-free for you to use. It can support up to 2.2 pounds. It's made of solid metal and plastic. It looks great, and it fits 4-inch to 12.9-inch smartphones and tablets. It really is great. Thanks, SUPTEK, for sending it to us to compare and share. This is an awesome addition to your office, your home, anywhere, for anyone that has a tablet or a smartphone.